Hello, welcome to another episode of Jeremy Teacher Talk. Today I'm going to teach you or show you how to do a mail merge from a document that has a class list to a report card or any other document. Alright, let's get started. Here's Jeremy Teacher Talk, just for those that are wondering. I'm going to pull up my document. That happens to be a report card. Here's the report card. Okay, you can mail merge anywhere on your document. We would like to mail merge a class list, so we have a report card for every student in our class, 1 through say 24 or 25 students. Instead of typing it in there individually every time, we mail merge with 8 clicks of the button or so, and we have a whole class list. Alright, first thing you need to do is have your document created. Click where you would like your mail merge. I'm using Microsoft Word 2003. There is in 2007 there is an actual mailing key up here at the top, but here you have to go to tools. A lot of times it won't be right there. You'll have to click the down arrow and find letters and mailings. Okay, this is a great tool because you click on the mail merge and now a wizard pops up. This is going to help us through every step of our mail merge into that location. You want to click a letter. If you have any other sort, a lot of times you might do labels. Those are very common, but this is a letter type, something that you've typed up. So now you want to click Next. Now you are at step 2. Do you want to use the current document? Yes, we already created it. Let's use what we currently have. So we're going to click Next again. Now we are going to click Use Existing List. You have to have a list already created, and that list could look similar to this. I have one up on my computer. I will show you real quick. And all that list has to have, this is a Microsoft Word list. For example, you see I just have students in a table, any kind of table. And I'll show you why it can be any kind of table. As long as it's some sort of table where things are blocked off, you can use that as a list. Okay? Alright, so use the existing list. Now you got to click Browse because it doesn't know where to find it. So let's find it in our computer. Click Browse. It's going to pop up. You're going to have to find where you're located. I'll find mine. I go through lots of steps. I happen to have it in my class lists. So I'll grab mine out of my class list. Happens to be my lunch count. So I'll click on lunch count. Okay, and it says record 24 contained too few data. So I have to keep going, alright? Okay, now that we have opened up our list, this is what it's showing you with the list. Okay, this is the most important part. Remember what it's called. Okay, it's showing you what's there, but it's called the M1ST. So the main first list. Okay, and see these check marks here, you can select and deselect. So I don't want third choice in there. Okay, so I can click that off. So there's my students, first name, last name. So I'm going to select OK. Alright, the most important part is the next part. So okay, we're going to go, so you select. Now we want to keep on going. Okay, this is the most important part of your mail merge. On step 4, you're going to want to click More Items because you need to tell your document what exactly you want to merge from your list. You're going to click More Items, and this Insert Merge field will pop up. There is the M1ST. That was the list. That was the portion of your document that has all of your student names. This could be, if you are in an Excel document, it could say first name, last name. You might have to do this twice. If it says first name here, then last name. I happen to have it all in one, so you're going to select Insert, and now it's going to pop up right there. If it doesn't pop up, we haven't done something correctly. We got to back up. But we're good to go here. So we're going to close that. It's still up there. Now we can click Next and preview your letters. Alright, now this is, if you've done everything correctly, you should see your first student at the top. And now now you can select right on through. I happen to have 23 kids. This is what your document's going to look like when you save it. It has all your students in there. Okay, so that we have done it correctly. Now, if say you wanted to edit it, or you saw a spelling wrong, you want a space in there and take a space out, you can edit the recipient list. Okay, you can do that there. But next we're going to hit click on the next button to go to step 6 of 6 and complete the merge. Okay, we completed the merge. Now, the most important thing is you want to edit the individual letters. Okay, for those teachers out there that want to save this as one document, say 26 pages or 27 pages or 24 pages depending on how many students you have, you want to save this as one document. So edit individual letters, and you're going to say all. Okay, this is the most important part. Okay, it's going to tell me there's too many. That's okay because I deleted the third. Doesn't mean anything. And okay, it's loading up. It's going to take a second because I have to create from 1 to 23. Okay, now I'll scroll down just a little bit. There we go. All of my students now have a report card with just a few seconds and a few clicks. Again, okay, so that's how you do it. Now you can go File, Save As, and this will save your document. You save it as First Grade Report Card 2009. I hope you enjoyed this episode of how to mail merge from a class list to a report card.